Hey everyone, this is a key tip for anyone looking to start trading in the markets. So what you usually hear is, as soon as your trade starts turning against you and is losing money, many professionals will tell you to sell immediately and move on to the next stock. There's also the general 10% stop loss rule, so if you lose 10% of your money on the trade, then you should instantly sell the stock. I don't completely agree with this attitude since over the last decade I've missed out on great potential gains because I used to follow that advice. So given that, if my trade is starting to go against me, I have two questions that I ask myself. The first one is, do I need this money immediately? So is the rent coming due? And do I need the money now? Is there going to be an emergency? If this is true, then you're going to have to sell, but if not, then I would not sell simply because the price is going down. And the second question, did something fundamentally change with the stock? If something did fundamentally change with the stock, then selling is okay because we invest in a company with a good story. But if that story has changed, then we should sell and not hold on to losers. Some examples out of the many would be management made the company more risky, the company has a hard time to pay its debt, the company's revenue isn't as strong as once thought, the star CEO has left the company. So I have held on to many stocks where I recovered all my money and made profit because the story did not change, and I knew what I was holding. And that is the key. You must know exactly what you are holding. So if the trade does go against you, you will be confident in the company and even buy more of it as the price declines. It's very tough to do this because people are very reluctant to buy more as they see the company they research go down in price. But this is a great way to make huge gains if the story of the stock has not changed and it's still the same solid company you liked the day you researched it. That concludes this tip, and I hope my mistakes and experiences over the last decade helps guide you through the markets.